Let's find the angle between two intersecting lines. We know that the lines are making two angles with each other. Let's suppose these are the two lines which are intersecting. Here you can observe this will be one angle and this will be a second angle. Right? This will be your acute angle. This will be your obtuse angle. Right? So in this case, whenever the question is to find the angle between the two lines, we are going to find the acute angle. Right? Remember this, always we are going to find the acute angle. So here, in this case, we will find out formula for angle between two lines, that is acute angle between the two intersecting lines by using their slopes. Okay. So let's suppose this is your line 1 whose slope is m1. This is your line 2 whose slope is m2. Okay. Let's suppose line 1 is making an angle of alpha degree with your positive direction of x-axis. That is inclination of line 1 is alpha. Let's suppose the angle between these two lines is theta, that we are going to find. And let's suppose line 2 is making an angle of beta with positive direction of x-axis. That is the inclination of line 2 is your beta. So here, by using the remote interior angle theorem, I can write here alpha is equals to theta plus beta. That means sum of the two remote interior angle will be equals to your exterior angle that we have seen previously. Now, I'll shift this beta to the right hand side. So it will become, as it is in left hand side positive, it will become negative in right hand side. So theta will be alpha minus beta. Now, by taking tan on both sides, by taking tan on both sides, what we will get? Tan theta equals to tan of alpha minus beta. Now everyone knows the formula for tan of A minus B that we are going to apply. So what is formula? Tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. This was the formula we applied. Right? Here, tan alpha is slope of line 1 because inclination of line 1 is alpha and the tan of the inclination is slope of that line. So here, tan alpha will be your slope of line 1. Similarly, tan beta will be your slope of line 2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. Here you got tan theta is equals to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1. As we want to find the acute angle between these two lines, we will take modulus. Because if in any case we got this calculation m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2 negative and tan theta equals to negative, that means the theta is in your second quadrant that we have seen in our trigonometry chapter. Right? And if the angle is in second quadrant, it is obtuse angle greater than 90. But here we want to find acute angle. That's why I am taking the positive value. If you take the positive value, we are taking the modulus on m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1. That means always this calculation will be positive by using the modulus, and you will be able to find the acute angle by making the angle to the positive to the first quadrant. Right? So this was the formula for tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Just find this, take tan inverse, you will get theta. And theta is the angle between the two lines. To understand this, let's apply this formula in an example. Let's take an example. Here, the example is saying, find this acute angle between the lines having slope 3 and minus 2. Let's suppose line 1 is having slope 3 and line 2, M2, will be the slope of line 2 is minus 2. Okay. Now, let's suppose the angle between the two lines is theta. So the slope of, tan of the angle made by these two intersecting lines will be, tan theta will be m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 into m2. We have to take the modulus. Now put the respective values. M1 is your 3 minus M2 is your minus 2 upon 1 plus M1 is your 3, M2 is your minus 2. Take the modulus. Now 3 minus minus plus upon 1 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 6. What will you get? 3 plus 2, 5 in numerator, 1 minus 6 minus 5 in denominator. Right? The modulus. Here you can observe we got minus 1. Right? After taking the modulus, tan theta value will be your 1. Here we got tan theta as 1. Theta will be tan inverse of 1. Which angle is giving one value for tan? Why? It is 45 degree. That is angle made by these two lines after intersecting will be equals to pi by 4, 45 degree. You can also write. So here we found angle between the two intersecting lines, while slope of the two lines is known, or in this case it is given. Okay. Now let's take second example. Here they are saying if the angle between the two lines is 45 degree, that means the theta is given 45 degree. Angle between two lines, theta is given, and the slope of one of the line is 1 by 2, that means m1 is given, and find the slope of the other line, that is m2 we have to find. Use the formula, same formula, tan theta, that is the tan of the angle made by intersecting lines between them, is m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Take the modulus. Theta, put the respective values. Theta is 45, so tan 45 degree upon m1 value is 1 by 2 minus m2 upon 1 plus 1 by 2 into m2. Right? Tan 45 will be your 1. Now cross multiplication, you will get 1 minus 2 into m2, 2m2 upon, here also upon 2. Right? And in denominator you will get, this is also your 1 plus m2 by 2. So cross multiply, 2 into 1, 2 plus m2 upon 2. Here this 2 will get cancelled. So you got 1 equals to 1 minus 2m2 upon 2 plus m2. Now as modulus operator is there, we have to take plus minus sign while taking out the term outside the modulus operator. So every time remember, you can put the plus minus sign on the left hand side or on right hand side. So putting plus minus sign on left hand side will be much easier in this case. Every time remember, while taking out the term outside the modulus, just take plus minus sign either on left hand side or on right hand side. So here I kept plus minus on left hand side. Now just solve. First we will take the plus 1 for the case 1. We will take plus 1 to the left hand side and solve for m2. And for the second case, we will take minus 1 to the left hand side and solve for m2. Just cross multiply and find the value of m2. This will be homework for you. Find the value of m2. Here we will get two values of m2. One will be your active, one will be your optician. Okay. Next.